Hello. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the Data24-7 API. The documentation for the API can be found under Support, Wiki, and then API Integration. Now, this top link here will bring you to a document which shows how to use the API, and here are a bunch of different examples in different programming languages. One nice thing about the Data24-7 API is that it's HTTP based, which means you can actually test the API by pasting an API call directly into your web browser. So here's one. This API equals T. This tells the API which Data24 service you're using. T stands for TextAt. So this API call is using our TextAt service. You can change this to use any of our other Data24-7 API services. Then you put in your username and your password. And then this P1 is the phone number you want to look up using TextAt. And as you can see, what we give you back is whether it's a wireless phone or landline, in this case it's a cell phone, the name of the carrier, our internal carrier ID, and the email to SMS gateway address and the email to MMS gateway address. You can do up to 100 different phone numbers in one call. So I could say, and P2 equals, and this will give you results for a second one. Now, if you don't want to use XML, we could change the output format to JSON. And there you go. Now, you'll notice in here, let's go to the TextAt, since we're using TextAt right now, API calls. These are the fields that were returned in the call, and then there's these optional fields. So say you wanted this optional field called region to be returned with the data. You can do and add fields equals region. And it will add the region to the data set. Now, if all you wanted was the region, instead of saying add fields, you could say fields. And we'll just give you the region. Or maybe you just want region and carrier name. And there you go. Very simple. So once you have this down pat, then you can use our examples on the example page here for the programming language of your choice to integrate the API into your existing source code. And it's as simple as that. If you have any questions, you can always open a help desk ticket and we will help you out. Thank you very much.